The curious cloud learning to ask questions. Once upon a time, there was a fluffy cloud named Curious. Curious liked to float high in the sky and watch the world below. One day, Curious saw a big mountain covered in snow. Why is a mountain white? Wondered Curious. Then, Curious saw a river flowing through the valley. Why does a river move? Curious asked. Curious didn't know the answers, but instead of feeling sad, Curious felt excited. I will ask the sun, thought Curious. The sun smiled and said, Mountain is white from snow, and river moves to reach the sea. Dizzy, will you help us find more water? Asked Benny. Curious was happy with the answers. Now, whenever Curious saw something new, Curious would ask questions and learn all about the wonderful world below. And so, Curious the cloud learned that asking questions brings lots of fun answers. The end.